This poem was published in the anthology Mingle Voices Free by Proverse Publishing in Hong Kong in 2019. For so sweet is the sound of my lute. With an icy look, she dismissed me, stating, "Most people are in need of society. Only a few by society are needed. I was poor too, but I understood the formula and worked my way to be needed greatly." "Cover your wound," she yelled. "You obviously made it yourself. It moves no one to pity." Thus, in my youth, I was harangued by a passing courtesan while begging by the main gate for me and my siblings. Now I wander from castle to city, from city to castle. I play my lute in beautiful halls where rich tapestries hang from the wall, mostly obtained by the killing of many people that in life may have been needed or not. Certainly their lot was to die in a battle not fully understood and be swallowed into rapid forgetfulness. I do not sport a self-inflicted wound now. I do not need to elicit pity to get more coins. But in my sojourning abroad, everyone runs to hear my lute. Thus I lost the shack I called home, where my siblings were waiting for me. In the notes of my lute, I can only but dream of it. Just the hope to play in heaven after all this wandering makes me go from castle to city, from city to castle and beyond. Along the path I may rest and play my lute to the trees, while I watch the sound reaching for the sun.